G'day! In today's video I'm going to be replacing the back cover on an S10. So this one I had an aftermarket back cover, which the durability is not quite the same as the original, but it should be okay. The colour of it's pretty much the same, so that is all good as well. So I've had it on my blue heat pad here at 75 degrees Celsius for around about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to use some isopropyl alcohol and a thin metal pry tool to get this back cover off. So I should be able to slide it in and just work my way around the phone. So if I compare it with this one, it gives you a rough idea on the layout of the adhesive. Now you do want to be careful not to dig downwards. If you're digging downwards, you're potentially damaging cables, batteries, various other parts of the phone. Now switch my hands, there we go. If you try and keep the panel as flat as possible, that does help. Now at the top here, there's usually not much in the top, so I'd probably be able to start lifting it up now. There we go, that's a good sound. And we are now in. So from here you can see that it's a different material. You can see the embossing on here, as opposed to the aftermarket. It still has a little bit there, different model number, slightly different texture to it. But overall the layout of it's pretty much the same. Now this lower pad here, I'm not too sure what its purpose is for. I'll see if I can remove it without damaging it. Just grab my tweezers and I'll zoom you guys in. Now I'll take the phone off heat. It doesn't really need to be there anymore. And I'll just see if I can peel this up. Not quite. It did just start to tear down the bottom. Work my way back the other way. There we go. Just transplant that onto this one. These other two here, I'll move those as well if it lets me. Go. And there. I'll remove the old one out of the way. Now it's a matter of taking off this blue part, or green part, not blue. Not what I'm talking about. Disappointingly, there's not just a simple pull tab for it. Annoyingly, there we go, now we're getting somewhere. It does feel like a very similar texture to the original. And now it's a matter of just dropping it on. Drop it on. Just softly push it in each corner. Just make sure it's in alignment. Now don't try to put too much pressure in the middle of it. Mainly put your pressure on the outside of it. Now if your back cover did break and shatter glass everywhere, you may want to give the frame a clean prior to putting the back on. But there we go. One swapped back cover. There we go. On a Samsung Galaxy S10. Hope this helps you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.